Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the cost of getting a Regions Bank debit card. I know this is a common question, and I've seen a lot of people searching for the answer online. So, I thought I'd do a video to help clear things up. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why you might want to choose Regions Bank for your banking needs. Regions is a large, well-established bank with over 1,800 branches across the United States. They offer a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and investment services. Regions Bank debit cards. Now, let's talk about Regions Bank debit cards. There are a few different types of debit cards that Regions offers, each with its own set of features and benefits. The most basic type of debit card is the Regions Bank Visa debit card. This card is free to get and use, and it comes with a number of features, such as access to your money 24/7, ability to make purchases online, in stores, and at ATMs, fraud protection, cashback rewards. If you're looking for a more premium debit card, you can upgrade to the Regions Bank Visa Signature debit card. This card costs $12 per year, but it comes with a number of additional benefits, such as increased cashback rewards, priority customer service, exclusive access to events and discounts, Regions Bank debit card fees. Now, let's talk about the fees associated with Regions Bank debit cards. There are a few different fees that you need to be aware of. Monthly service fee. This fee is typically waived if you meet certain requirements, such as having a minimum balance in your checking account. ATM fees. Regions Bank charges a fee for using out-of-network ATMs. Overdraft fees. If you overdraw your account, Regions Bank will charge you an overdraft fee. How to avoid debit card fees. There are a few things you can do to avoid debit card fees. Open a checking account that waives the monthly service fee. Use Regions Bank ATMs or ATMs that are part of the Regions Bank network. Avoid overdrawing your account. So, how much does a Regions Bank debit card cost? The answer depends on the type of card you get and the fees that you incur. But in general, Regions Bank debit cards are affordable and come with a number of great features and benefits. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on personal finance. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching today's video on Regions Bank debit card costs. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video. Until then, take care and stay safe.